Hi, welcome to our walkthrough video on how to create an invoice in Zoho CRM and understand the powerful tax sync feature with the QuickBooks extension. If you want to streamline your invoicing process and ensure accurate tax management, then you're in the right place. First, let's start by creating an invoice in Zoho CRM. For that, log into your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the Invoices module. Click on Create Invoice. This will open up a new invoice form. Fill in the invoice details such as invoice name, account name, customer name, invoice date, address, and other relevant information. Make sure to add the products you're invoicing for. Add tax details by selecting the appropriate tax options. This is where the magic of tax sync comes into play. Ensure you have provided the tax value in the line item corresponding to the related product. The individual tax value of each product gets synced with the QB, whereas the tax value for the total amount of the invoice won't get synced. Now, let's set up the QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM to sync tax information seamlessly. First, install the QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM if you haven't already. Navigate to the top menu, click on the three dots, and select QuickBooks. Connect your QuickBooks account and authorize the Zoho CRM to access it. Configure the settings based on your needs. Enable the actions like Create, Update, and Delete for the Invoice module. Ensure the Invoice module is enabled by turning on the Power button. Enable the OnSave Sync option for an instant record sync. Click Update Configuration once you're done. Then we go for the Mapping section. Select the Invoice module for which you need to do the mapping. Here, you'll see default field mappings. Map your custom fields by dragging and dropping widgets from the right side menu to the corresponding fields. Click Save Mapping to complete the setup. Now let's see how Tax Sync works in action. First, we go for the OnSave Sync option. As we enable the OnSave Sync on the configuration settings, whenever you create an invoice in Zoho CRM, it will be instantly synced to the QB account. Here I am creating an invoice in Zoho CRM. The QuickBooks extension will automatically sync the invoice and the tax information with QuickBooks, ensuring consistency. For a seamless tax sync, ensure that the tax name and tax percentage are the same in Zoho CRM and QuickBooks. This extension allows the tax sync of both default taxes and custom taxes of both Zoho CRM and QB Online. For example, if you have a custom tax rate named Sales Tax set up in both Zoho CRM and QuickBooks Online, make sure the tax name and percentage match exactly. The extension will sync this information without you needing to manually adjust anything. You can also sync the existing invoices seamlessly with a single click on the Copy to QB option at the detailed view of the desired invoice. Next, we go for the bidirectional historical sync option. With this, you can easily sync bulk records between any particular time interval. First, choose the sync direction by toggling the switch to the right for Zoho to QB Sync and the left for QB to Zoho Sync. Then enable the Invoice module. Once you select the Invoice module, the Contact module will get automatically selected. Provide the from date and to date between which you need to sync invoices. Click on Sync. It will display all the invoices and their related contacts during the desired period. You can verify it and click on Continue to Sync. Now, the invoices with their related tax will get synced successfully to QB. Likewise, you can create an invoice with tax in QB and seamlessly sync it to Zoho CRM with the QuickBooks extension for Zoho. You are also provided the automatic CRON sync option to sync invoices and tax automatically from QB to Zoho CRM every 10 minutes. For effective CRON sync, enable the CRON sync option corresponding to the invoice module in the configuration settings. With the audit page, you can see all the success and failure statuses of the sync to determine the error messages promptly. This is all about the tax sync of invoices on QuickBooks extension for Zoho CRM. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.